Hey Aquanuts, welcome back. This is the story of Tom and the clowns. So a while back we had a customer that wound up being a pretty good friend of mine to this day. His name was Tom and we were servicing his pool on a weekly basis. We had a guy working for us at the time that was in recovery for some drugs. We had hired him from a drug rehab place and he was supposed to be recovering. What we didn't know at the time was he had started partaking again in his drug of choice, and he started making some really poor decisions on the job site. Well, he added some acid to Tom's pool and didn't dilute it at all, and it started to eat his liner out, bleached his liner out completely, and started to ruin his liner. Well, we offered to replace Tom's liner for free, which we did. So here's where the clowns come in. We had a set of subcontractors working on Tom's liner, replacing his liner, because we were the company that we're going to do what we say that we're going to do. However, Tom called me. Hey, Derrick, there's some clowns out here that you hired to replace my liner, and they're just tearing my yard up because they're running with faulty equipment, and you need to get over here now. I said, Tom, I'm going to go ahead and get the new hoses so that I can bring them over there so they'll stop washing out your yard because they're using old hoses with a bunch of holes in it. And I'm going to bring some clown shoes for these guys. Now, a lot of us have to use subcontractors whenever we are dealing with pools and dealing with construction type projects, replacing liners, doing rehab, those types of things. Here's the key takeaway. Number one, stay on top of your guys so that they're not ruining liners and pumps, filters, or whatever your industry is. And number two, hire subcontractors that have your best interest at heart. And if you hire clowns, own up to it. My name is Derrick. This is Aquanut Academy. If you like this content, you want to hear more of this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when we release more business style content for the swimming pool and spa industry, and well, the service industry for that matter. I look forward to seeing you next time.